Oh, you'll never guess what's happening. The new Xiaomi series is
Check that
finally
red
hitting the
logo.
shelves. Let's take a closer look at what this year's model is really like.
The box is like the Xiaomi 11 Pro Max.
Well, the box is exactly the same, yeah, but the logo is clearly
that is
different.
right.
This is supposed to be the original clear case, right?
Probably.
Let me take a look. Did they actually change the design style? Nope, it's still the same.
Are you sure this is it? Are you sure this isn't a Xiaomi 15?
Why is it a Xiaomi 15? Didn't you see what's written here?
I went ahead and swapped it for a Xiaomi 15 just for you. Damn it, this Xiaomi 15 is really
Let's
something.
open it
Uncle
first.
Long, do you even know how to drive at all?
Feels a bit tight. Okay, look, to be fair, the build quality is really similar to the 15 or 14 series. The camera is identical. However, the in-hand feel is still that of the Xiaomi Pro Max, that big screen sensation, but it feels lighter. The battery is bigger, yet it's actually lighter.
Yes,
I guess it's because but just it's because of the back screen.
everything is all
design.
good.
But honestly, removing it has its perks. Like the battery life is even better.
Yeah,
one
that's right.
Xiaomi is worth 2 Apples.
80 something.
Let's turn it on. Turn it on, and then 150 W fast charging and 50 W wireless charging.
So the specifications are max as well then.
The screen on this year's Xiaomi 17, it's just 1.5K, but the overall quality and user experience actually feel even better than the 2K ones.
I remember the power usage was low too.
Oh, and 8,000 mAh battery, wow. The Xiaomi 15 5th generation under display camera. So key, why? These are all top tier upgrades, right? Okay, let's take a look at the camera, shall we? Let's check out his camera.
Taking a shot. Wow, so premium, damn.
Yeah. Oh, right. Today I want to check out what people online were saying, how much it can zoom.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Times,
Damn it,
120 times. You
this
can
whole
even
thing.
see like
No, hold on.
cells.
Wait a
Honestly,
second,
the
damn it.
200
Even-
megapixel camera is insane. These features were originally
Wow, it
only on
actually
the
works.
Ultra, but now they've trickled down to this Max 15. Sure.
In that case, everyone can indeed afford Ultra.
And now that I've got the new phone, I also picked out some accessories for it online today.
Yes indeed.
So because as of right now, many sellers do not have this specific screen protector in stock yet. I was not even able to find one for my own phone. Let us take a look and see how this one performs.
This box looks a bit like Xiaomi. I've been looking forward to it.
It really is quite similar. If it only had this film, I'd buy it every day.
Well, I keep buying crazy.
Alright, so I bought this 2-pack for 17. Oh, it's universal. It works for both the Max and the Pro
it's
Max.
compatible
Let's
with the
take
Pro
a
Max,
look. There's an alignment tool, a cleaning kit, and a squeegee.
Oh yeah, you've done your homework.
I originally budgeted 5,000. I didn't
that's
expect
right.
this phone to be only 4,000 and change, so I'll definitely use the rest for some
Wow,
accessories.
you're absolutely right about that. It truly is. It offers such incredible value. Far better than that 15T model next door.
We've already peeled off the old film and cleaned the screen. Let's check out this applicator and see how easy it is to apply. Exactly, let's see what the AR effect is
You
really
really
like.
want the
I
AR
want
one,
to see if it's one of those things where you pay for it, but don't actually get the
wow.
experience. So, since Apple introduced the AR series with the iPhone 17 this year, many phones have started focusing on screen display quality. Take the iQOO 15, for example. Doesn't it come with an original AR dry film?
Right then.
Original AR screen protector. Let's take a look. It's ezy to apply.
It
goes
feels
on
like it
with
is
a
a
light
whole
touch.
lot brighter than it was before.
This specialized applicator makes application incredibly simple. Look, it's completely seamless once applied. The coverage is so extensive, you won't even feel it. But look closely at the top edge to see the dust mesh. Let's turn on the screen for a closer
That's
look.
right.
See that? Doesn't the display look clearer and sharper?
Oh yeah, well, I would definitely agree with you. Well, no, when you compare it to mine,
That
it
is
really
correct.
quite different.
It becomes quite
Wow,
apparent
it
when
is
you
so
place
much
them
clearer
side by
now.
side.
Yeah, it really is. That is exactly why applying an AR film is a much better choice.
It is true. Like, for example, when you are playing games or scrolling through videos while you are outdoors or in the bright sun, it does a really great job of preventing glare.
Actually, I think if you're buying a 17 Max, it's probably not for gaming outdoors, but rather for taking photos when you're out.
Yeah, because this year's Pixel is
Wow,
really
that's legit.
impressive. Plus, the hand feel is actually quite nice. It doesn't feel sharp in the hand. Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, this one is much smoother than the original screen protector so far. At the very least, it doesn't pick up fingerprints easily.
Huh, it really doesn't seem to pick up any fingerprints. Huh, that's actually not bad.
But it's alright. But I haven't found a suitable phone case yet, probably because the phone just came out. And I did find a screen protector though. Now I'm wondering whether I should get a lens protector. Since it's at least 200 megapixels this year, I feel like I really need to protect it. But everyone says lens
this is it.
protectors are super fragile. What do you guys think? Should I get one?